The ER081 error on T-Mobile indicates a failed IMS registration, preventing Wi-Fi calling from authenticating. This means your phone can't connect to T-Mobile's network over Wi-Fi for calls and texts. This error stems from failed IMS registration, where Wi-Fi calling cannot authenticate with T-Mobile's core network over IP-based connections. Start by clearing the T-Mobile app's cache to reset connection settings. Then, ensure your phone's firmware is up to date with iOS 18 Plus or Android 14 Plus. Finally, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. This error is typically an authentication issue, not a hardware problem. If basic steps fail to resolve the ER081 error, investigate your router configuration. Wi-Fi routers must support NAT traversal and proper port forwarding for UDP ports 500 and 4500, which are essential for IK protocol in Wi-Fi calling. Double NAT can block IMS packets, causing the ER081 error. This occurs when there are two layers of NAT translation between your device and the internet. To fix this, enable UPnP in your router settings or manually forward the necessary UDP ports 500 and 4500. UPnP allows devices to automatically configure port forwarding. Check your router's compatibility using T-Mobile's device checker tool. Also, verify that VPNs or incorrect APN configurations aren't interfering with IMS settings. User reports on Reddit's r// T-Mobile confirm that enabling UPnP or port forwarding often resolves the issue. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for remote diagnostics to adjust IMS profiles and clear cache.